Friends, here I am going to explain you how to register a resident of Canada. First, you go to atomy.kr or atomy.com/us, and if you are in atomy.kr, you can reach this point, Atomy Family, and drop down menu and choose Canada. I've chosen Canada. Now, when I have chosen Canada, the Canada site will come and it will ask me to log in first. Uh, and join us. Here it is written join us. If I join us, it will say login. Already I am logged in. So I will reach this page which is shown here for domestic residents. Only for citizens and permanent residents of Canada must be 18 years of age or older to join. So now I click here join, and I'll come across all these agreements and terms and condition, privacy policy. Here you reach that all agree. When I put all agree, so all the conditions are agreed, and I will have to go to the next page because here you have to confirm, and when you confirm you reach this page. Very simply, uh, the details you'll have to fill, they are very simple. You'll have to choose full name, second name, last name and all. Full name, last name, and then choose male or female. You can see. And then the most important part is the last three digit of your social insurance number. That is what is important. Social insurance number, in order to comply with the Canada government employment and tax regulations. We obtain SIN of members who wish to receive commission from Atomy. We require the last three digits of your SIN for registration in order to prevent multiple membership and the line changes. Please type in the correct SIN. You will be required to submit the full 9 digit of your SIN when you wish to receive your commission, and mismatch of your initially registered last 3 digits then will result in termination of the membership. So you have to fill in the last 3 digits very correctly. Based on that, when you are receiving commission, you will have to give the full SIN number. Now, the next is your date of birth. Very simple. You will have to give your telephone number, not required. And if you don't have, you can put your mobile number. And then after that, put your address and city, province, postal code, email address, and re-enter email address. This is what you have to do it. Now, when you are complete with this, you will reach the your private password. You can put re-enter the must contain the following characters, one number, and you have to choose your private password. Must be of at least 16, and then you have to re-enter your private password. So that password is there, and then you have open password. Open password means which you can share with anybody for registration. So you put open password here and re-enter the open password again, and remember your password. When you have filled this, your form is complete, and last you'll have to press next. After pressing next, you will reach the page where you have to put the sponsorship details. Sponsorship details means the last person in your that team under whom you would be putting the person who has filled his form. So that is very important. You have to put it very correctly, otherwise the placement will be wrong. So, and then follow the procedure given. Very simple. You'll have to verify all the details and then finish off you will get your password and ID at the last page, and keep a screenshot of that. This is all. Thank you very much.